Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will learn how to implement sales tax, which is VAT in Tally. So to first implement VAT, we have created one chart of accounts. I suggest you to create first chart of accounts, and then based on that chart of accounts we will create groups, subgroups and ledgers. So I have created one chart of accounts in which I have created one group of purchase, in which I have created purchase VAT. Now we will create various ledgers of purchase VAT of 4%, 12.50% and 5% and so other ledgers. And we will also create groups and subgroups and ledgers for sales VAT. Now we will also calculate VAT input and VAT output. So value added tax will be calculated based on this VAT input and VAT output. So we will also create VAT input 4% and other ledgers for input and output type of VAT. So let's first create some of ledgers and group for this purchase, sales and VAT. So you already know how to create ledgers and groups. So in this tutorial we will just create ledgers which are needed to understand the VAT and how to calculate VAT and implement it in Tally. So go to the account info from the gateway of Tally and create groups. Select on create. So create group. Now let's see the chart of accounts and we will create purchase VAT. So write purchase VAT, select under purchase account and at the end press enter. Likewise we will create all the sales VAT and other groups. Now we will add subgroup which is a VAT input and note that we have to keep this under the value added tax. VAT output which is also under the value added tax purchase account. Now press escape to go to the gateway of Tally. Now we have to implement VAT, so first press 11 and go to the company features and account. Now go to the statutory and taxation. So now we have to set some of the option to implement the VAT. So go to the enable value added tax and set it to yes and set alter VAT details which is also yes. Now select the state. I am selecting Gujarat and type of VAT dealer is composition to regular or regular. We are selecting regular. Regular VAT application form means after which date VAT is started. So we are writing here date 1/4/2012 which is the start of VAT and set other option and we have to here enter VAT T number. So we are entering VAT T number and interstate sales tax number which is CST or any number. We have to also enter the PAN income tax number and save it. So this is the configuration required to implement the tax. So in this video tutorial we have created groups and we have also created subgroups. Now in next tutorial we will create ledgers and after that we will perform sales tax calculation and entry of sales tax. Thank you.